Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing a shoe mat. So we like this shoe mat so much, we already have one over there. This one has got to go, so we decided to review two more. So let's get unboxing. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe to my channel. You can find this product in my video description if you guys are interested. Alright, so I'll show you guys them up close so you can see the details, and I'll go over some things on why I like them a lot. For one, they are perfect size. So you can put, they show 3 pairs of boots, so you probably could get, well, we have 3 pairs of shoes on the other one, and you probably could fit 4 maybe depending on the shoe size. But they have a nice deep lip so water or dirt or anything can stay inside the tray. They're made out of plastic. So let's go put it in the spot and show you guys how it looks. Okay. So just like that, and you go ahead and place your shoes on it. So you're looking at about 3 pairs of shoes and boots per one, and they're actually a pretty good price, and you can buy them in sets of 2s, or you could just buy a single. But I like them a lot, you know. It definitely helps keep the dirt in, and they don't look bad either. So overall, I could probably definitely give it a 9 to 10 out of 10. They last long, they hold up, they keep the dirt and water in, they don't look that bad. So yeah, overall, I'm happy. I think you guys will be too. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description where you guys can pick yourselves these up. And as of this video, I think it was like $22 to $25 for 2. So you get 2 of these mats for, not mats, but 2 of these boots and shoes holders for 22 to 25 bucks. And I think it's definitely worth it as of this video. Check out the link in the video description.